Hi guys, today I will show you how to make แกงส้ม and fried egg with sauce soup. Okay, let's start. First, beat the egg. And then push into it just about one handful and mix it together. If you like salt, you can add fish salt, but in my video I just put a little bit of fish salt. Heat the pan and then put oil into the pan. Use a maximum heat. Fry mix eggs until the eggs turn gold. Next, now cut the egg into small square pieces. Put the water into the pan, wait until it boils, and then put a paste that called พริกแกงส้ม into the boil and stir it together and then wait until it boils. You can add any kind of vegetable that you like, but I like ผักกาดขาว so I use only ผักกาดขาว into my แกงส้ม Wait until it was boiling. Next, put tamarind juice into the pan, just about 2 tablespoons. If you like salt, you can add it more. Then mix it together. You can seasoning as you like, but I like this taste, so I won't do anything more. Next, put the egg that you cut into the small square pieces into the pan and mix it together. Wait until it boils, and then it's ready to serve. Please enjoy your meal. Thank you for your watching.